1972 Hakuska. I have bought some Z Garage rear CV axles for it. There's the old one that we've taken out in roughly 5 minutes, 4 bolts on each end, very simple. And there is the new Z Garage made to fit axle for my 1972 Nissan Skyline onto my 180 diff. I've screw bolted that end on, and then this end bolts directly onto the hub, and there's a bit of universal hole set up there, but that bolts directly onto there in the matter of minutes. So no modification, nice and simple, and a whole lot quieter and more responsive to run than the old rusty knuckle drops. And less than 5 minutes later, all screwed up, some spring washers in there, and you don't need to disconnect the handbrake, just disconnect the bottom of the shock, so that hub would fall down enough to do that change over. So I'm far from a mechanic. I work in an office, so that was very simple.